Hey, thanks for coming by, kid. We have some business to talk over. I need some help in our bottled water business. Business is booming. Worldwide, 41 billion gallons were sold last year alone. They actually think it's healthier than the water that comes out of their taps at home, even though regulations of bottled water quality is less than what their local water supply has to abide by. And the poor saps are paying more for bottled water, a lot more, than they do for gasoline. Can you believe it? But there are a couple of reasons we gotta charge so much for this stuff, kid. It takes a lot of resources to make it. The goofballs don't realize it takes 17 million barrels of oil to make a plastic bottles alone. That's enough to fuel 1 million cars for a year. These bottles also end up in the garbage, 66 million bottles a day. They also end up in the oceans, killing marine life and animals, and the plastic leaches chemicals into the water as well as the land they're dumped in. Plus, the bottles take 400 to 1,000 years to degrade.
Whoa.
But let's not talk about that stuff, kid, because we got a good thing going here, and if the public ever wises up, our business would be curtains. If the people were smart, and I doubt that'll ever happen, geez. They would drink perfectly fine tap water from reusable metal or glass containers. They'd bug their local restaurants and markets to not offer bottled water as well. If they don't happen to like the taste of their tap water, they could install a filter to their tap for cents on the gallon. And they would just avoid bottled water unless it was absolutely necessary and put the heat on the companies that bottle this stuff, like us. But I don't ever see that happening.